So we took 2 trades today. It's only 1:30, but I'm ending it there. I'm kind of satisfied with my trades today. I'm definitely satisfied with the outcomes of them. However, I don't know. I feel like they could have been a little better. So this morning we had a rally up, basically a fake out, and then just straight down after that, consolidation, and then looks like we're going down even further. Fair value gaps are all over the place, so you really have to be able to read the market, just the overall market structure to decide like which ones are going to be obeyed and stuff like that. My first trade was in these 2 candles right here. So we came up, and basically the concept for this trade was just we just had a quick move up into this fair value gap, and I was expecting us to not go back into this area because we had a move up and a move down, so the market really doesn't have any need to go back up in here. We have buy side delivered, sell side delivered, with fair value gaps all over the place. So shorted that, took like 30 points out of this move. Obviously could have held. We broke this low down here, but since I'm on the minis, I'm more worried about where my stop is and getting a decent entry. I have a goal of where the profit or the take profit is, but I'm okay with not waiting for it to get there. I feel like my win rate percentage should go up, taking a chunk of the move versus waiting for the whole entire move to play out, because it doesn't necessarily mean the whole move is going to play out. So we're just taking what we can out of these moves. That's what I'm doing. I don't know if that's like, I don't think anyone else should do that, or I don't know if that's the best way to do it, but I'm doing it and it works for me, and just emotionally I feel good about taking a part of the move and securing a green trade. Sure, I left a lot of money on the table, but we increased our chances of getting that money to begin with. So shorted and took some of this move. After this low was made, started working our way up. This is the 2-minute chart, so you'll see on this this move up, we had several fair value gaps. Honestly, that can all be looked at as looks better on the 4 and the 5-minute, I believe. Yeah, so this is like one big fair value gap right here. So once I saw that, it did break this high. And the reason why we didn't go much higher after this, I think, in my opinion, is this fair value gap didn't break this high more. So ideally, we would have wanted this move to last up to here and then come back down for a test and then go up like that. Instead, we just broke it a little bit and started coming down. So when I saw that fair value gap, I looked for a low, a high, lower low, then the fair value gap. So on this move down, I got into 3 minis and had to withstand some drawdown, but I was really relying on the setup to play out. So here's a 2-minute, so low, high, lower low, just basically all buy side delivered fair value gaps up here. Then I started jumping in on this move down, kind of just obviously targeting higher, no real like set number in mind. Like, yeah, it'd be great if we ran for the highs, but again, like I just said, like we shouldn't really go back up in this area, and we never really do. That's the highest we ever go. So as I got in, my average was like around 811, and once we started rolling over up here, that's when I just decided to just get out for a couple of reasons. One, we shouldn't go back up into that rectangle, so just secure some green points now versus risking it going lower. And also, I was in the middle of dealing with some work stuff, and I wasn't able to keep watching the charts. And I didn't want to leave 3 minis unattended, so I was like, F it, I'll just take what I got. We could have got maybe another 20-30 points out of it, but I'm fine with what I got today. As you can see, this move came down and went right back into this order block. And that would have been a nice entry down here, and then riding that move up to go for the highs, and then before this sell off. So yeah, let's put on the orders. So sell right there, buy here, buy, and then sell all 3 up here. Here it is on TradingView. So first one was 580. That was a pretty decent trade. And then here's these 3 contracts. So 165, 310, and 710, for a grand total of 1747 after fees and commissions. So yeah, it's nice. I honestly think just trading minis keeps me a little calmer because I feel like I'm not trying to work up to a mini. I have an account that can just withstand the mini, so just got to keep doing what we're doing. I think I can improve on my exits for sure, but I think I'll always be thinking I can improve on my exits. So if I can really focus on great entries, and then just for the rest of our lives, we'll always be wondering, did we exit too soon? Did we exit too late? Etc. That's just, I feel like that's just part of it. You can't, it's going to be very difficult to time exits perfectly. So the account is sitting at almost 6,000 in profits, and we got to get to 9,000. We are on our way. Hopefully you guys did good today. Let me know what you guys saw and what trades you took. Hopefully everyone is sticking to their plans and staying calm and not letting their emotions get the best of them. Talk to y'all later.